my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel or you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I am so excited to be participating in the Pastelloween YouTube Hop 2023. This event is hosted by Betty from Scrap Passion 01 and Markisha, SweetPaperyTreasures. They have assembled a wonderful group of crafters who will share their pastel Halloween crafts, and they'll be giving away fun prizes. This event takes place over 2 days, today October 7th and Sunday October 8th. In order to participate in the giveaway, you must watch each video, leave a comment, and you must be a visible subscriber to all of the channel participants today as well as tomorrow. Before I review the project that I've created for the YouTube Hop, I wanted to remind you that my Halloween Spooktacular series has been rescheduled for Sunday, tomorrow. So please be sure to visit my channel as well as Michelle from Shabby Chic Chick. We'll have new projects to share with you. Now for the fun stuff. I have created this shaker coffin backpack and a coordinating shaker mini album to go inside. This project was inspired by Kristianne from Kristianne's Crafty Adventure. She did a tutorial about a year ago that showed you how to create this from scratch. No dies and no cutting machines. There was another woman by the name of Mommy and her 4 little ladies. She created an SVG file to make this project. Now, I did have to make some tweaks to the file, but I will be sure to include a link to Kristianne's original tutorial as well as to the SVG files. The paper collection that I used is called Pink Spells. This is by Sandi Nagel from Decorate Your Life. I first saw this paper collection a few weeks ago in a YouTube Hop, and I thought it was so adorable and whimsical, and I just love the fun pastel colors. This is a fairly sizable project. It measures 8 inches tall and 6 inches wide. It has a shaker in the front. In the collection, you have these adorable little cut-aparts. You have the ghosts here. And if you look on the bottom, I have a cute little scene. You've got the little mouse. He's putting something into a cauldron. You've got candies and cupcakes and pumpkins. Oh my. On the top, we have a handle, and this opens up the backpack. This is the side. Look at this paper. It is so fun and whimsical. I just love it. Now, this is the back. Now, you know I have to add some bling in my project, so I added just a little bit on the handles and around the shaker element. This is the other side. Now to open this, we have this little latch here. Now this is different from Kristianne's original tutorial. In her project, this entire front shaker panel lifts up. But I thought for ease of use, it was easier to create this little latch on the top and also less wear and tear on the shaker. So when I open this up, inside, I've created a mini album that fits perfectly. Now, if you didn't want to include the mini album, you can certainly fill this up with fun goodies. I have created one of these for a male, and I'm going to be including socks and fun treats. So let me take out the mini album so I can just reach in. So this is the mini album, and this measures 5 by 7. Now, I really didn't embellish the front part of this mini album because it fits perfectly. So if I added any more to the front, it wouldn't fit inside the box. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I can give you a closer look at the mini album. This is my shaker mini album, and I had so much fun making this. I will do a tutorial that shows you how to put together the mini album and also my version of the backpack. As I mentioned, I did make a few tweaks to it. This measures 5 by 7, and on the front you can see all the fun sequin bits. I did include some rhinestone along the side of the album. This is a side. Now, when I give this away, I am going to add the person's name and something else here. And this is the back. On this side, I've used this fun black and purple polka dot ribbon. Let's take a look inside. This is the front page. Now I have used my Crafter's Companion nesting dies to create these photo mats, and then I've embellished it with all of the ephemera from the paper collection. I didn't use anything else. The Pink Spells paper collection is so jam-packed with fun ephemera, you really don't need to use anything else. But these pieces are popped up on foam tape, so all you have to do is slide a photo behind here, just like so. On the next page, we've got these cute little pumpkins on the bottom and another little ghost. I just love these colors. This is the next page. Again, you can just stick a photo here. Now I'm going to include an oval frame in this mini album, so all they have to do is trace an oval to include their photo. On the next page, we have this cute little stacked pumpkins. I have a half pocket here and this tag. Look at that moon. On this page, we have these cute little clouds, these little ghosts, and I love this gnome here with a giant lollipop. Again, all you have to do is stick your photos inside. On this page, we have a half page pocket, and I have the photo map overlapping. Again, all you have to do is stick your photo inside. And inside the pocket, we have a tag. You can include a photo and journaling. On the next page, we have these cute little ghosts with a crown. It says trick or treat. Again, another fun photo mat. We have a little pocket here, and I filled this with fun jack-o'-lanterns with candy and cupcakes. You see the little witch's boot here. And we have another tag. And on the last two pages, we have this adorable little banner. It says Halloween. Look at this ghost. Isn't he adorable? And then we have another little ghost here. Again, all of these are open, so you just stick your photo in. And this is the back. This concludes my review of my Shaker Coffin Backpack and Coordinating Shaker mini album. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Up next in the Pastelloween YouTube Hop is Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.